The following is a set of rough audio notes for mathematics. The text we are using is Pre-Calculus, 3rd edition by Lyell, Hornsby, and Schneider. This file and subsequent files will deal with Chapter 3. Chapter 3 is entitled Polynomials and Rational Functions, or rather, Polynomial and Rational Functions. Naturally, we shall start with Section 3.1. Section 3.1 is entitled Quadratic Functions and Models. Note: recall from Chapter 1, we defined the following two terms. Break. An algebraic expression and a polynomial. Stop. Recall from Chapter 1, we defined the following two terms: an algebraic expression and a polynomial. Question. Recap. An algebraic expression is defined as blank. Stop. Answer. An algebraic expression is defined as the result of adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, except by zero, raising to powers, or taking roots on any combination of variables and or constants. Question. Recap. A polynomial is defined as blank. Stop. Answer. A polynomial is defined as a term or a finite sum of terms with non-negative integer exponents permitted on the variables. Note: let us now define what a polynomial function is. Stop. Let us now define what a polynomial function is. Question. A polynomial function of degree n is a function defined by an expression of the form blank. Stop. Answer. A polynomial function of degree n is a function defined by an expression of the form f of x equals a r sub n x r sup n plus a r sub the difference n minus 1 x r sup the difference n minus 1 plus dot 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 plus a r sub 1 x plus a r sub 0. Question. In this definition, n is a blank integer. Break. A r sub n, a r sub the difference n minus 1, etc., etc., r blank. Stop. Answer. In this definition, n is a non-negative integer. A r sub n, a r sub the difference n minus 1, etc., etc., are real numbers. Note, as we already have seen, or rather, as we have already seen, x to the n is the variable x raised to the exponent n. Break. X raised to the difference n minus 1 is the same variable x raised to the expression n minus 1, or rather, the exponent x, the exponent n minus 1. Stop. So let me repeat and reread this a little bit clearer. As we have already seen, x to the n is the variable x raised to the exponent n. X to the difference n minus 1 is the same variable x raised to the exponent n minus 1. Note, what is new to us are the symbols a r sub n, a r sub the difference n minus 1, etc., etc. Break. A r sub n is the real number portion of the x to the n term. Break. A r sub the difference n minus 1 is the real number portion of the x raised to the n minus 1 power. Or let me repeat and correct that. A r sub n minus 1 is the real number portion of the x to the difference n minus 1 term. Break. However, a r sub n, a r sub n minus 1, etc., etc., are not the same real number. They can be, but usually they are not. Stop. So, to repeat, what is new to us in this generalized form of a polynomial function are the symbols a r sub n, a r sub the difference n minus 1, etc., etc. A r sub n is the real number portion of the x to the n term. A r sub the difference n minus 1 is the real number portion of the x to the difference n minus 1 term. However, a r sub n, a r sub n minus 1, etc., etc., are usually not the same real number. They can be, but very often they are not. Note: we will learn more about the symbols a r sub n, a r sub the difference n minus 1, a r sub the difference n minus 2, dot dot dot, a r sub 0 on the next file. Stop. N R N